Hey people, so keeping by this whole, considering mine is a review channel, there is this show called Bhram, which is on Z5 app, and it stars Kalki Kekla, Bhumika Chawla, Sanjay Suri, Satyadeep Mishra, who was Aditi Rao Haidary's ex-husband. It's a whole it's a stellar star cast, and it's been set in Himachal Pradesh. So now Bhram is basically it's a paranormal thriller, and here really any series, any movie that stars Kalki Kekla, this French Indo-French actress, the rest of the star cast might as well just pack up and vanish, because nobody's really going to be looking at them, because Kalki Kekla is more arresting than the ghost herself in the movie. I mean, like, in terms of you see the movie through her eyes. I mean, Bhram, the web series, is what it is because of Kalki Kekla. Really, I mean, honestly, I'll say this: I've been a big fan of these of Sanjay Suri and of Bhumika Chawla, but you know, when it comes down to it, it's the performance, really. So of course, in their own way, they do their best, but Kalki Kekla is, you'll need to watch Bhram for her, because it is at another level. And uh, uh, it's a very interesting storyline, and that fear element has been kept all through the, like, it is a series worth watching. So it's on Z5 people, and you all should check it out. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.